This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a rear wiper blade on a Ford Edge. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the ignition is completely disengaged for safety. You'll need a new replacement wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This provides clear access to the blade assembly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll typically find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly while simultaneously sliding the old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. Be gentle as you pull it away, ensuring you don't let the metal arm snap back against the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Finally, let's test your new wiper blade. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper function to ensure it operates smoothly across the window. Check for full contact with the glass and confirm there are no streaks or missed spots. This simple replacement can significantly improve your rear visibility. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.